Are you curious to know that how to transfer USDT from Safepal to Binance? Don't worry, in this video I will show you the tutorial. So let's begin. Open your Safepal account. Now in the home screen, scroll down and select USDT. Now click on Send. Now you have to enter your Binance wallet code. In order to copy Binance code, open your Binance account. Now click on Portfolio icon. In there, you will see your Binance code. Simply copy it and follow me. Now paste it here. All set. Now select your amount and click Next, and that's it. I don't have any balance in my account, so that's why it's saying that. I hope this tutorial helped you.